We're now here at Sacksteder's Interiors. Karen Sacksteder, the owner. This is a family-run, locally based business, 2 locations in Greater Cincinnati, and really known for your holidays, right?
Absolutely. If you're in the mood for your holiday decorating, come out to Sacksteder's Interiors. Custom floral arrangements, tree packages. We even come to your home or business for any of your holiday decorating needs. If you're just needing that little extra help, the gals out here, Jackie and Nikki, they make all the custom floral arrangements. We have our custom tree packages. It's real simple. All you do is you purchase that. It's for a 7.5-foot tree. You open it up, everything's there. You put it on your tree. Now you got a tree that looks just like Sacksteder.
And all of that information's on your website. It really makes it easy.
It is. It's supposed to be fun, right?
That's right. Holidays are supposed to be fun. Make sure you visit their website to learn more at sackstedersinteriors.com.